Hi, I'm Dave McComas, and welcome to cFS Basecamp, an educational ecosystem built around NASA's core flight software system. With Basecamp, you can learn about the cFS through built-in tutorials, videos on YouTube, and articles hosted on the Open Mission Stack website. You can create with the cFS using apps from Basecamp's GitHub repositories and using projects hosted on the Open Mission Stack website with links to YouTube videos. Basecamp is powered by the CCSDS Electronic Datasheet Standard, where you define your command and telemetry messages once, and a toolchain produces the flight and ground libraries. The Python GUI screens are populated from the ground library. Here we see a no-op command being sent to Basecamp's demo app. File Browser simplifies file management and the transferring of files between the cFS target and Python GUI. Adding apps from Basecamp's GitHub repos is a simple four-step process. First, you downlink the libraries and apps you want. Second, you add them to the cFS target. Third, you rebuild the target. And fourth, you restart the Python GUI so it uses the new command and telemetry definitions. Creating a Hello World app is also a simple four-step process. First, select the Create App option from the Developer menu. Then you give the app a name, and then generate the code. Once the code is generated, the next three steps are the same as the Git repo process. You add the app to the cFS target, rebuild the target, and then restart the Python GUI. This time I'll send a no operation command to the new Hello World app, and the event message response shows everything is working. Basecamp has multiple remote target operation configurations. Here I'm going to show how to start a remote cFS target running on a Raspberry Pi. This uses the MQTT messaging system, which is the de facto standard for the Internet of Things. This remote target has an app that blinks the LED. To get started, go to the cFS Basecamp GitHub repository or to the Open Mission Stack website. Thanks for watching.